Today we will learn how to create or generate certificates with Google Form. We will follow two steps to generate certificates using Google Form. Part 1, creating Google Form, tagging for responses, and creating a certificate. So we are going to create our Google Form, which is very basic and simple. We'll be taking two things from the user, their name and their email addresses. And for this, we're creating a spreadsheet along with the Google Form, and we are taking few responses. Now we're creating a certificate using Google Slides. Very basic and simple. You can design your own however you want. So make sure you are using the two angle brackets where you want to put the name or merge the name from the spreadsheet. So I'm done with creating this certificate. Here is the second part. So we're going to open incognito mode and then sign into the drive and install Autocrat add-on. So copy the link from the browser and then open incognito mode, paste the link here and sign in to your respected Google Drive account with the email, and then click on add-ons. Get add-ons, search for Autocrat. Here is the first one you have to install on your database or the Google Drive. Click on install, continue. Choose the email, follow along, and allow. Autocrat has been installed on your database. So here you go. Click on add-ons, Autocrat, and open. Now click on new job. Type whatever you want for the job you are doing. So click on next. Now choose the template or the certificate you want to merge with the fields which we have made recently using Google Slide. Click on select. Yeah, and next, and column the maps with the your name field because we are importing the name from the database to our certificate, and then click on next and choose the file name whatever you want. So we're keeping this under the name field and changing the type to PDF. Next, next, next. Share document, yes. And here use the email tag because we are sending the documents to those respected emails from the spreadsheet. Click on next and then save. So we are done. Here the last step, click on tag test. The Autocrat is running their job and merging all the documents from the database and creating each document from the input field of your name, and then it has sent every other mail to the respected email addresses listed on the database. So we're checking our mailbox. Yeah, here you go. We have got our personalized email with the certificate we have made. Here you can see on my phone as well, I've got another email. You can send 100 personalized emails per day like this if you are on simple email address. On G Suite you can send more than that. It's up to the subscriptions. Yeah, each certificate has successfully sent to the respected emails with their name filled on the certificate. This is how you can generate certificate using Google Form and Sheet. I hope you have learned how to do this manually. If you like this video, please consider like and share with your friends. Thank you.